Today, we're exploring the journey of Sidney Dorsey, the former sheriff of DeKalb County, Georgia, whose name became synonymous with one of the most shocking political assassinations in American history. Once a respected law enforcement veteran, his career ended in a web of corruption and a cold-blooded murder-for-hire plot that stunned the nation. So, where is Sidney Dorsey now? Let's find out. Sidney Dorsey made history in 1996 as the first African-American sheriff of DeKalb County. However, his tenure was plagued by allegations of corruption, including using on-duty deputies for his private security business and accepting bribes. In the 2000 election, he was defeated by Derwin Brown, a veteran police captain who campaigned on a promise to clean up the department. On the 15th of December 2000, just 3 days before he was set to take office, Brown was ambushed and shot 12 times in his own driveway. The investigation eventually led back to Dorsey, who was accused of orchestrating the hit to stop Brown from exposing his illegal activities. In 2002, Dorsey was convicted of racketeering and the murder of his successor. He was sentenced to life in prison, and for years he maintained his innocence. However, in a stunning turn of events in 2007, Dorsey finally confessed to his role in the assassination during an interview with the DeKalb County District Attorney's Office. He admitted that he had given the order to kill Brown, though he later tried to recant his confession, claiming he was under duress. Since then, he has made several unsuccessful attempts to appeal his sentence or seek parole. Where is Sidney Dorsey now? As of now, Sidney Dorsey is incarcerated at the Georgia Diagnostic and Classification State Prison in Jackson, Georgia. Now 85 years old, he is serving his life sentence with the possibility of parole, though his chances of ever being released are considered virtually non-existent by legal experts. Dorsey's health has reportedly been in decline over the last year, and he spends much of his time in the prison's medical wing. In early 2025, his legal team made a quiet inquiry regarding compassionate release due to his age and deteriorating condition. But the request was met with immediate and fierce opposition from the family of Derwin Brown and the local community. The Georgia Board of Pardons and Paroles has not moved forward with any hearings, and he remains a Category 1 inmate due to the nature of his crime. Sidney Dorsey has transformed from a powerful, high-ranking official into a cautionary tale of the ultimate abuse of power. While he remains behind bars, the legacy of his crimes continues to haunt the DeKalb County Sheriff's Office, serving as a permanent reminder of the tragic night that changed Georgia politics forever. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.